Welcome to our in-depth analysis of Balabolka, a text-to-speech software. Balabolka, a Russian term meaning chatterer, lives up to its name. It converts text into speech, allowing you to listen to your text files instead of reading them. Balabolka supports multiple file formats and languages, and it's compatible with all computer voices installed on your system. It's an excellent tool for people who prefer audio content or need accessibility options. Balabolka offers numerous features. It supports a wide range of file formats such as TXT, PDF, docx, EPUB, and HTML. It can save the synchronized text in external LRC files or in MP3 tags inside the audio files. This software can also read clipboard content and view text from documents in a floating window. It provides options to change the speech rate, pitch, and volume, and offers a spell-checking feature. One of Balabolka's significant advantages is its pricing. It's completely free. Yes, you heard it right. Balabolka is freeware, making it accessible to everyone. This free text-to-speech software offers extensive features without any hidden costs or premium versions. It's a cost-effective solution for individuals, students, and businesses alike who require text-to-speech functionality. Balabolka is ideal for various scenarios. It's perfect for students who want to convert their study materials into audio files, professionals who prefer to listen to documents rather than reading, or individuals with visual impairments. Additionally, it's a great tool for language learners, as it supports multiple languages. Balabolka can also be used by content creators for creating audiobooks or audio content from written text. Balabolka comes with several advantages. It's completely free, yet it offers a comprehensive set of features. It supports a wide range of file formats and languages, and the voice and speed customization options provide flexibility. It's also lightweight and doesn't consume a lot of system resources. Lastly, Balabolka offers batch file conversion, which is a big plus for handling multiple files. Despite its many advantages, Balabolka has a few limitations. The interface is quite dated and might not appeal to users accustomed to modern designs. The software is not available on mobile platforms, limiting its use to desktops. Also, while it supports many languages, the quality of the text-to-speech conversion can vary depending on the language and the computer voices available on your system. So, the key takeaways are that Balabolka is a versatile text-to-speech software that supports multiple file formats and languages. It's free, user-friendly, and offers a variety of customization options. However, it has a dated interface and is not available on mobile platforms, which may limit its appeal for some users. Overall, its benefits far outweigh its limitations. In conclusion, Balabolka is a powerful and cost-effective tool for converting text to speech. Its limitations are minor when compared to the broad range of features it offers for free. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tech analysis videos. Until next time, take care.